15th is observed as World Youth Skills Day to celebrate the strategic importance of equipping young people with skills for employment, decent work, and entrepreneurship. In India, this day carries an added significance. On 15th July 2015, the Prime Minister launched Skill India Mission, a visionary initiative aimed at empowering India's youth with industry-relevant skills. The mission operates through various programs that focus on skill development, reskilling, and upskilling, empowering millions with the tools needed for sustainable careers. At the heart of this mission is the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, a flagship scheme that is transforming the skilling landscape of the nation. Launched on the same day, the scheme has been encouraging and promoting skill development in the country by providing free short-duration skill training and incentivizing youth with skill certification. So far, the scheme has trained more than 1.63 crore youth in diverse skill areas. Apart from Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, the Skill India Mission is ensuring training to all the sections of the society across the country through an extensive network of skill development centers under various other schemes such as Jan Shikshan Sansthan Scheme, National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme, and Craftsman Training Scheme. Complementing this is the Skill India Digital Hub, which has been serving as a unified platform for the Indian skilling ecosystem. The hub provides access to high-quality, industry-aligned training programs and resources, recognized certifications, connects job seekers with employers and job opportunities, and promotes continuous learning and upskilling. By bridging the skill gap, fostering innovation, and creating new job opportunities, the Skill India Mission is paving the way for a self-reliant and Viksit Bharat. As India strides towards becoming a global skill hub, the skilled youth are not only powering the country's economy, but also leaving their mark across the world.